As I've said at the beginning of the Mass, we remember and celebrate today the memorial of Saint John Paul II, one of the Supreme Pontiffs who's so close to the hearts of all of us Filipinos with the two of his papal visits he made. And in a very special way, later on after the Mass, we will all be given the privilege to venerate this precious blood relic of St. John Paul II, which is under the custody of our Manila Cathedral, for us to pray and ask his intercession for our life and for our intentions. And we do invite our dear friends to come over to the cathedral, as we also invite you to venerate the relic of this beloved saint of our times. We call the Pope in many ways. We call him the Holy Father, the Vicar of Christ, the Bishop of Rome, His Holiness, the successor of Peter. But one name would best fit him as well. We call them the Supreme Pontiff. Pontiff, from a Latin word, pons, pontis, meaning bridge. As if we are to say that every pope is a holy bridge, a bridge builder that connects the church to God. And as we celebrate today the feast of St. John Paul II, we thank him for building bridges for us to God. These bridges were ways how, like St. Paul in our first reading, would remind us that God is never far away. There's no more dividing line in between us. That God is for us. That God is readily accessible to us. Hindi tayo iiba sa Diyos, bagkus nariyan lang ang Diyos. Kailangan lang nating tumawid at makita ito. Similarly, John Paul II, being a pontifex, being a bridge, was an icon of us preparing to meet Jesus, the Master. When we cross a bridge, siguro marami po sa atin papunta dito o pauwi sa inyo ay madaming mga itinatawid, madaming tinatawid na lugar. We somewhat prepare ourselves for what we will see on the other side. And his life was but preparing many people. Just for example, the hearts of young people by establishing the World Youth Day to see God's plans for them and to see the blessings of God in their lives. Preparing us to encounter the Master, preparing us to encounter Jesus. We are grateful for St. John Paul II for being a bridge to us, reminding us that God is never far away and for preparing us to see the Master. He has blessed not only Catholics, but a number of other faiths that He bridged to our faith and to God Himself. And my dear brothers and sisters, it is our prayer today that we be pontifex to one another and to God. Build bridges as a reminder that God is never far off and God is preparing great things for us. Bilang tulay, ipaalala natin na hindi tayo nalalayo sa Diyos. At bilang mga tulay, makita natin ang Diyos na may magagandang bagay para sa atin. We may not all be elected as popes, but build bridges, leading others to God, who again is never far off, never distant, never alien, never others to us. To build bridges to God, who is waiting for us, bringing with Him blessings and graces in our lives.